Welcome back guys, this is Vishu from SavageCamp, and in this video we are going to look at the statistics module that we have in Python. So we will actually do like 5 functions out of this module, and you don't have to know everything. I don't think you will use this. Like in my 5 years I rarely dealt with any like mathematical data because I work as infrastructure engineer, so it's more based on like networks and Linux systems. But if you're doing some math stuff, or if you're passionate about numbers and all, you can use the statistics module, and it has inbuilt functions, so you don't have to calculate things. The 5 functions that we are going to look are the mean, which is the average of the dataset, the mode, which is the most common number in dataset, the median, which is the middle of the set of numbers. And when I say set over here, this actually means a list. Don't take it literally. You can have a set, but again we will use a list because we need like duplicate numbers in this example. A set will remove those duplicate numbers. Then we have variance, which is a measure of how spread out the data is. And the last one is the standard deviation, which is a measure of spread in statistics, which is basically a square root of this value, which is the variance. So let's go ahead and create a random list. To create that, we will use random import randint, and we will use list comprehension. So randint of, let's go from 1 to 100. Actually, let's do 50 for I in range. How long should we make the list? Like 8 elements. So we have this, and I will just print it out instead of storing in every variable, because it's just extra lines of code that you don't really need. So these are like one line operations. So the mean is going to be, let me remove this, mean of list 1, and we'll go to next line. Actually we'll go to next line to make it more better. As we are printing out the list 1, it's going to take some space. So statistics dot mean, and you pass in the list 1. Now all I'm going to do is copy paste this, because we are going to write it similarly, and change this to median. What else did I have? I had mode. So mode, median, variance, and standard deviation. So mode, median, variance, and standard deviation. And this is just going to change to whatever the functions we are going to use. So this is median, and variance is going to be variance, and the last one, standard deviation, is going to be stdev. So stdev is going to be the standard deviation, and we are printing out the list every time. So let's remove that, put it over here. List is list 1. I should have planned this better, to be honest. Replace all. So we remove this /n, and that's it. Pretty straightforward. I'm not going to spend a lot of time. These are ready-made functions, so you don't have to do anything. Pretty standard output. This is going to change. Let's do 10, or yeah, let's do 10. So the numbers are pretty smaller, so we can calculate stuff. Mode is 8, which is the, what is the mode? The most common number. Yeah, most common number is 8. Median is going to be the middle of the set, and 5, which is over here. Variance is 8.5, and what else is the standard deviation? So pretty easy program, guys. Statistics makes everything easier for you, so you don't have to do the calculations. And that's it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.